To commission devices using the Lighting Pre-Commissioning Station, or LPCS, press Commissioning, select Online Commissioning, open the building, and select the location you wish to add lights to. Since we're not registering the barcode, we can go straight into commissioning, select the range. This time, choose the commissioning type with LPCS. Now the app will automatically add the lights that you find into Office 2 in this example. Go ahead and power on the LPCS and ensure that all of the sensors and dongles are plugged in correctly and that the little LED is turned on. That indicates power. Once you're done, go to commissioning. Now the app will search for all available devices. Once it's found all the devices, you can wait for the timeout for 1 minute or press stop to complete the search. Since we chose commissioning with LPCS, the app will no longer need to sort these lights into unidentified. Instead, it's automatically going to add them to Office 2. Since it automatically adds them, it wants us to confirm the group by turning them off and then back on. If everything looks good, you can press confirm. If it missed any, just press commission again. Now the app will tell you how you can use the labels that the LPCS comes with. There is a sheet of labels in the box that you can write the name of the lights. This helps installers know which group the lights go into. So if this is Office 2, you can write Office 2 on the labels and stick them on the dongle or the sensor. Now set a master, in this case because we have both multi-sensors and dongles. And you'll see the icons of the lights that it found automatically get added to the grid. If you